Hello everyone, this is Panda once again. Welcome to the channel, and as a photographer, I only want to emphasize the gear that I'm using so it helps you make a better decision when doing night photography, astrophotography, long exposures, landscapes, micro. Now, these tools can be very versatile for any of your photography needs. But with that said, before we even start this video, please do subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell icon so you can get notifications when I upload or do a live stream. If you guys want to sponsor or want to support this channel here to keep the lights on here, I have a PayPal, Cash App, and a Venmo. It really does help at this time. As a self-taught photographer and as a semi-professional photographer, I'm going to have to say, like, the gear that I purchased, I'm really satisfied. And the reason why I'm very satisfied is because this is what I always wanted, knew this for a long time, avoided, but now I have it in my possession. So I want to emphasize why I bought some of these products, like the L brackets for my cameras, my Canon and my Sony. Why I invest in quick release plates from UNZ, which is the brand, and why I purchased a Manfrotto 502 AH fluid head as my everyday driver for my stills and video. Now, keep in mind that this is not a sponsored video and never will be from these brands. In the future, the brands may send me some free stuff or want to cooperate and do a video, but with that said, this is not sponsored, this is not an ad or promotion. I spend money out my own pocket, even though I don't have much, but I need it. Because you never know when that moment comes, when you take one photo, one video, it gives you an opportunity. But I'm using Manfrotto 502 head because of a number of reasons. One, flexibility, the build quality, and it's gonna last me for a very long time. Now, I've invested in smaller ball heads and much budget-friendly ball heads, and sometimes they last for a year or two, but not as I expected from a photography piece of gear that should last more than 5 years. So this is why I made an investment. I needed something that was going to stand up to the elements of the weather, take a beating, but also do the job very efficiently for both stills and video. When it comes down to the quick release plate, when the UNZ quick release plate, I am going to say this right now, the unboxing experience is really unbelievable. This is $24, ladies and gentlemen, but the packaging is well executed very well. I have to say, this is the best quick release plate I ever purchased. Now, I bought many before, they didn't work out so well, and I do have current issues with current quick release plates because of the pressure you have to push in order to release your camera. But this one is very easy. All you have to do is unlock it, push the two buttons, there you go, and then snaps right back in, easy. So, and then I also ordered a arc Swiss adapter clamp. So when I get my INNorel, when I do parallax panoramics for a landscape, that's going to help me actually understand what the parallax point is, or the INNorel point is on my camera. But yeah, I also got a weight bag for newer. These are, you get two for $17 or $18. These are very useful if you have a tripod in this caliber and carbon fiber. You must buy a weight bag. It's ideal. But other than that, I'm using the L brackets from Sunway Photo, as you can see. And the cool part about this is that they come with a QD mount. And if you guys don't know what a QD mount is, this big hole here is called a QD mount. How that works is, you would get something when you get your L bracket, you will get something in the box like this. This is called a QD adapter. You press the button, push in, and now it's attached to your camera strap. So it's basically 3-in-1 L bracket, and I found this very lovely and very ideal to have. especially if you're a photographer and you're out doing landscapes and you have multiple cameras. And most times you'll bring your camera bag, but you wouldn't bring a camera strap. But let's say you're doing cityscape or night photography in the city, that would definitely come in handy. But with that said, everyone, these are the L brackets for from Sunway Photo. This is the DPL 07. Really nice finish, iodized finish, made really well, has bubble levels all over the place. But other than that, guys, as I just want to include this in my video as I go out through my day in Portland, because I'm making a final decision if I want to go make the risk factor of traveling due to the COVID-19 situation. I've been hit financially as a photographer, so ladies and gentlemen, please do subscribe, like, and share the content, and please do enjoy the rest of my videos on this channel here. And as I said, if you guys want to help support the channel, there's a PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App down in the description below. All these will be linked in the description below, so enjoy yourselves and purchase them, and let me know what you guys think. With that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.